Good afternoon, students. As mentioned in the previous class, we're going to be using the online software Weebly to create our student portfolios this year. Weebly is a free program that allows users to create blog posts, websites, and even online stores. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Weebly page. The first step is you'll need to head over to Weebly.com to create a login. To get things started, you will see the words Get Started in the top right corner in blue. Please click on that. It will take you to a page where you will type in your name, email address, and a new password. After you have successfully decided what your password will be, please write it down in a safe place so you don't forget. We will be referring back to this website periodically, and it is important for you to remember your username and password. After you have successfully entered all your information, please click on the words Sign Up. After clicking it, you will be taken to a page with one question and two options. You will either choose I just need a website or I need a website with an online store. For the purpose of this class, please choose I just need a website. Now that you have created your login, we're going to learn how to create a page. On your screen, you should see a menu bar like the one shown on my screen. Simply go to the Pages tab, like this, in your menu, and click the plus icon in the left-hand sidebar that will appear over on this side. A drop-down menu will appear with different types of pages. When you see the options appear, please select Standard Page. Now you will have the option to name your page. For the sake of this assignment, please name it Journal Entry 1. After you have successfully named your page, you will see an option under it that says Header Type. Please click on the arrow next to the word Header and select No Header. Once you have finished adding your page, now we can begin the editing process and designing your Weebly page. Please hover and click on the word Build. Once you have done that, you will see a bunch of elements pop up on the left side of your screen like shown here. When you are ready to insert the content that you have chosen, you will simply just drag the icon to the center of your page. For example, if you wanted to add an image to your Weebly page, you will simply drag the image icon to the center of your screen, and it will give you an option to either upload an image from Google or one of Weebly's free images. If you want to enter a text, please drag the text icon to the center of your screen and begin typing in what you want to put. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to try this. Please drag your text box to the center of your screen and enter your name. Once you are done with that, you are going to do the same thing with the image icon, and you will either upload an image of your favorite place from Google, or you will find an image of your favorite place from the free Weebly Picture feature. Once you have finished that step, we can now move on to publishing. To publish your site, you must hit the blue Publish button in the top right corner of your screen. You will then receive a pop-up telling you it's published. If you're not completely happy with your Weebly post, don't worry. You can always revisit the website editor to make some changes even after you publish. I hope this has helped everyone and made it easy for y'all to go through this website. Now I just want to share with you some final thoughts. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be using Weebly for our writing portfolios this year. We are going to be publishing journal entries, essays, and many other major assignments. I want you to take a moment to familiar yourself with Weebly and its features. And please do not hesitate to ask me questions if needed. Thank you all, and I hope y'all have a fantastic day.